Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Life360 location not updating. Life360 is designed to update location in real time, but sometimes the app may stop updating or show an old location. And this usually happens because of the internet issues, location settings, or the battery restriction. Follow the step carefully to fix the problem. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Life360 needs a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to update location. Try opening a website or another app to confirm your internet is working. If the connection is weak, switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data in your notification bar. You can also turn on your location services. You can check your location services enabled or not, and also turn off the battery saver. If you have turned on your battery saver, you can simply turn it off. Battery save or power optimization can stop Life360 from working in the background. And you can also restart your phone to clear any system glitches. After restarting, you need to open the app, or you can go to your app store and you can simply update to your Life360 as well. If there's any update available for the Life360, you can select update. If there's available, you can tap on the update and your Life360 will start updating. And that is it. This is how you can fix your Life360 location not updating. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.